guys, welcome back to my channel. I am about to do my makeup. We are gonna have some friends over in a little bit. We're doing like a mini kind of party get together out on our terrace. So we're currently getting everything prepped, and I thought I would share my updated summer makeup routine that's very light, fresh, like breathable, just beautiful everyday kind of summer makeup. So firstly, starting with some SPF, I've been back into using the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular CC Cream. This has an SPF of 30 in it and has a very light tint. It is a CC cream, so it's not at all the tint of a foundation or the coverage of a foundation. It's just enough to cover the physical SPF that is in here. That's something I really love for more acne prone skin, is a physical based sunscreen as opposed to chemical. So I apply this quite liberally to protect my skin against the sun. And then I do also really like a hat for additional physical protection against the sun. And then for concealer, I've been using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm back onto using this as well. So this is in the shade Ginger. A little bit here between my brows, around my nose, and a little bit around my mouth. Love this brush by Zoeva. This is the 117 Petite Defined Buffer. So good for concealer. So this was Ginger. I'm now going to take a slightly lighter shade. This is Custard. And I'm just going to place this right here where I really want to just brighten up the most. I think this is so important when it comes to very like lightweight makeup, is to use light layers, and if you can, avoid foundation like all over your face. So that's why I love a CC cream, because you're putting on SPF but you have a little tint. I feel like foundation can just sometimes be way too much in the summer, and this way you're targeting the areas that you really want brightness and coverage, but you're not like over caking your face with too much makeup, and just feels a lot better during the day when it's hot. And then another huge thing for me is a good setting powder. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I swear by this, and this will prevent the concealer from moving and prevent your skin from getting too shiny in the places that you don't want to be shiny. I'm going to set the under eyes. So this will lock everything in place and prevent shine from building up. You'll still have a bit of a glow and just a natural finish on the rest of your face. Then I'm going to do my brows quick. This is my favorite brow powder by Anastasia. This is the brow powder duo in dark brown. Okay, favorite blush right now is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in the shade Diffused Heat. This is so beautiful. It has a really nice natural glow, and it's not glittery. Like, it just has this beautiful natural glow to it. Just makes you look like you are naturally blushing, kind of like flushed and glowy from within. I also take it across my nose like this, on my chin, and then I love a little bit on my lids as well. And because it's summer and I have a natural tan going on my body, I'm also going to apply some bronzer. This is another favorite from Hourglass. This is their Ambient Radiant Bronze Light, and it is also so stunning. I do try to be consistent with my SPF and just like physical protection with hats and stuff in the summertime, so my face doesn't get as tan as my body. So it's nice to just even out the color a little bit. So I'm going to sweep a little bit across my lids. And then lastly, I just like a touch of highlighter only at the very tops of my cheekbones. The blush and the bronzer already has that like natural glow to it, so I don't need too much extra glow, because again, it's still hot. I'm definitely going to be sweating. So I just want a little bit like right there. And this is my favorite Becca Champagne Pop. Then I'm just going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara. This is Legendary Lashes Volume 2 by Charlotte Tilbury. And then lastly for lips, I love this combo. This is the MAC Boldly Bare with Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. That is the lip liner, and this is the lipstick, again in Pillow Talk. This will now last me really well even when it's hot, I'm sweating. I think cream products are so beautiful on the skin, but if you do tend to get a little hot and sweaty, I feel like powders just work really well when it is hot and you will be sweating, because it kind of like absorbs a little bit of that sweat. Powders like this that have that kind of like built-in glow within it naturally, you still get that effect, but it's not going to be moving around too much during the day. I'll make sure to have all of the products linked for you down below if you want to check them out. I'm also going to squeeze in a quick hair removal treatment for my underarms. I've been loving the results of this. I shared this in a few videos back, and I thought I would share a quick update on how I've been liking it. I'm currently on week 6. This is my second treatment this week. I love this card. It really helps to keep you on top of your treatments. I keep this in my bathroom next to the device. So I'm on week 6. I'm 2 weeks away from being on week 8, which is when you will see permanent hair reduction or your money back. But already so far, it has been working amazing. And the little bit of hair that is still coming, it's so fine and so like soft, especially for it being, you know, your underarms, where the hair is usually a lot coarser. And I'm not even done yet with my 8 weeks. So that is really exciting. And the thing that is the most amazing about this is that it's so easy to use and it's not intimidating because it doesn't hurt. That is like the biggest thing about this, and so much more less painful than traditional in-clinic laser treatment removal or even waxing. So this is the Nude Flasher 2.0, and it's actually the only device on the market with precision pulse IPL technology. So it flashes up to 4 times longer than competitors, which means that the light is less likely to be absorbed by the melanin in your skin and more likely to be absorbed by the melanin in your hair, which makes it a lot more safer and more effective as an at-home treatment. And it's so easy and non-intimidating to use. So you just turn it on with this button here, and then you can choose your levels. There are 7 levels, and I like it on 7. And then you just pass the area 3 times, and it goes automatically as you take the device on your skin. And that's literally it. And you can use this device on any part of your body for permanent hair reduction in just 8 weeks, or your money back. Like, that is how confident they are with the technology. If you guys are interested in trying this, I would highly recommend it. It makes your life so much easier. It really simplifies your beauty routine. You don't have to think about waxing, shaving. You can do it all from the comfort of your own home, and it actually works. I do have a code for this for 10% off. You can use code Annie at checkout, and again, that will get you 10% off. I'll make sure to have this device linked for you down below in the description box. This is what I'm gonna wear today for our little get together. It is super hot today, so definitely wanted to wear something comfy and lightweight. I believe this is 100% cotton, maybe with like a little stretch in there, but it's so nice, very breathable, and I find it so flattering. It has this really pretty ruching at the sides, and I love the high neck that is comfy, easy to wear. And I definitely wanted to mention also the underwear that I have on, and underwear that I like to wear with these like more form-fitting dresses. They are from Spanx. I'll make sure to have them linked, but they are amazing for just smoothing out underneath the dress. And it's not like a full underwear, so you don't have the lines on the back. So it is just perfect. I actually wore this also with my second wedding dress. I'll actually pop in the picture of that dress here, but they just are so great for more form-fitting dresses. And yeah, I feel like they're sort of like half the part of a dress like this, so definitely wanted to mention. And I did just recently get this dress from ASOS, so I'm sure they still have it available. I'll make sure to have it linked if you guys want to check it out. Good morning, guys. It is a new day. I'm drinking a hot chocolate this morning. Already had my matcha. This is actually also from Peak. It's their Nandaka cacao. I believe they call it an adaptogenic coffee alternative. It's so good, and I just wanted something cozy. It is so cold today, and yesterday too. Let me see. It is 18 degrees today, and it's been in the 30s lately, so it's dropped quite a lot, and we're still in August, but nonetheless it's actually kind of nice to have like a bit of a refresher. So cheers. So yesterday was a really fun but busy day. We shot for our newest product, and this is something I've been thinking of, dreaming of, waiting for so long. We've had this shoot booked. It's always like the little cherry on top of the product development phase, and I've been working on this formula for years. This is something that is so close to my heart. It is our first ever serum for Nourish 3, and it is so incredible. I think one of the most powerful things you can do for your skin in terms of product is use a high quality serum, because that is when you can get those concentrated amounts of ingredients in high quantities that can really change and have a visible impact on your skin. And if you've seen any of my other skincare related videos, you'll know what a huge fan I am of vitamin C. It's one of my favorite ingredients. It's so well studied, and it has so much good research and science-backed results and proof that it works in improving skin texture, skin tone, brightness, evening out dark spots and signs of aging, fine lines. It's also a great antioxidant for helping to protect you against the sun, and it's also so beneficial for those with blemish prone, acne prone skin. But it's so important that you don't have an irritating vitamin C. Everything that we do at Nourish 3 is for those with sensitive and acne prone skin. And also it's really important for us that we create products that don't exist on the market. So this serum right here, this is our Brightening Radiance Super Serum. This has 10% vitamin C, which is a really great percentage amount. It's strong, very potent, but it's not going to irritate your skin. We use sodium ascorbate phosphate, which is the most stable and gentle form of vitamin C. There's also salicylic acid in here, and that is really unique for a vitamin C serum. Plus, it's combined with peptides, ferulic acid, hyaluronic acid, as well as lingonberry plus citrine crystal. I'm so proud and excited about this formula. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. Just wanted to give a little intro in this video, and then I'll show you guys how I use it, what the benefits and everything have been on my skin in a later video. But I wanted to share that we did the shoot for this yesterday. I did film a little behind the scenes, so I'll share that footage right now so you guys can see what it looked like. And the feeling was just so natural, and I love that you can see our real skin and just have everything be really glowy and beautiful and just look really fresh and natural. That is the look that I was going for with the shoot, and I think we got just that. I'm so excited about the pictures. So yeah, I just wanted to share a little bit about that. Definitely stay tuned. You can sign up to our newsletter at nourish3.com, and also follow us on our Instagram at nourish3. I'll have everything linked for you down below so you guys can stay up to date on when we're launching and everything is released. And I'm so excited to share more and just have you guys try the product. Every time we do a product launch, it's very special. We don't release like 10 products a year. Everything we do is very thoughtful and intentional, and we take our time in creating the products, the formulas, making sure they're really special and effective and different from anything else on the market. So yeah, this is our new baby launching soon. Stay tuned. I've been wanting to share this healthy chocolate granola recipe with you guys for a while now. I've been making this like every other week for the last like 2 to 3 months, and it's our favorite thing. I love it with some cold oat milk as a little dessert after dinner, or topped over some chia pudding or a yogurt bowl, and it's so quick and easy to make as well. So first, I'm adding 4 cups of oats to a large mixing bowl, and then half a cup of coconut oil and half a cup of maple syrup, then about a tablespoon of cinnamon, and then a little pinch of salt. And this is where the chocolate comes in. So 2 to 3 tablespoons of pure cacao powder. Make sure that it's pure so that it's unsweetened. And then about a cup of nuts of your choice. I like almonds, pecans. This is a mixed bag. You can either put them in whole or halved or crushed. Mix it all together and then place it on a baking sheet. And I like to just press the granola down with the back of the wooden spoon. This will help the granola to have these larger chunks within it once it cools. Then just bake for about 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven and the consistency of your granola. But I do about 22 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius, and that's it. Just let it cool completely before placing it in your jars. I would highly recommend trying this out. It's a much healthier and more cost-effective alternative to traditional store-bought granola. It contains so much less sugar and it's seriously so delicious. I'll make sure to have the recipe for you down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one.